environment. We know that living organisms depend on their surrounding for food, water, and shelter. Everything that surrounds an organism and helps in its growth and development is called its environment. There are two components of the environment: biotic or living component and abiotic or non-living component. All living things present in the environment are called biotic components. They include plants, animals, scavengers, and decomposers. Let's understand the role of each component. All plants in the environment make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. They take in carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water from the environment for this process. Thus, plants are the primary source of food in the environment. Animals, on the other hand, cannot make their own food. They eat plants and the flesh of other animals. Thus, they are called heterotrophs. Animals such as vultures and hyenas that feed on the dead bodies of the animals are called scavengers. Organisms such as bacteria and fungi that act upon dead remains of plants and animals and break them down into simpler substances are called decomposers. Plant roots can easily reabsorb the simple substances formed by this process. Both scavengers and decomposers keep the environment clean of dead plant and animal matter. These four types of biotic components interact with each other in the following ways. Plants and animals depend on each other for food. Plants use sunlight to make their own food. Herbivores such as deer eat plants. Carnivores such as tiger and lion feed on herbivores, and omnivores such as humans feed on both plants and flesh of animals. Now let us see the abiotic components of the environment. All the non-living things such as sunlight, water, soil, wind, and temperature are called abiotic components. These components are equally important for the survival of the biotic components of the environment. Let us see how the biotic components interact with the abiotic components. Plants use sunlight and water to make food. Water is essential for all living organisms. Air is important for the survival of living organisms. Oxygen is used by animals, and carbon dioxide is used by the plants. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth crust. It contains many minerals. No soil would mean no plants and hence no food for us. Thus, biotic and abiotic components are interrelated. If one component is disturbed, the whole environment gets disturbed.